Hey guys, SmugglerSpelt here, and today I'm going to build the Punisher. So first we're going to go to minifigures, lower parts, and we're just going to click this one, good old friend, lower legs. I'm actually going to make it a kind of navy blue. We're going to use upper parts, Crossbones upper parts, Marvel, so that'll be in 2016. Click that one. I'm just going to center it, get rid of the arms, move it back. Now this version of the Punisher is based on the Netflix TV series, so that's why I put jeans in. In some pictures he is wearing a pair of jeans. So we're gonna pick this one, put it in black. It's not what I meant to do. Tan. Take that out. Move this forward. Now we're going to use heads. We're going to try finding some from Marvel, because there have been a few good ones from Marvel. But it doesn't appear that they currently have it on here, so we can try DC. I like the Superboy head. Unfortunately, you can't use the back. It has the laser eyes. So let's try Star Wars now. Going through Star Wars. Now I'm just going to use this as, temporary head for now. Just going to put that on there. This one also looks good. But there's nothing back there for anger. Now we could use this head, the Han Solo from Solo. So, let's kind of put that on. It fits well. It looks like the Punisher from 2008. Kind of has that look to it. But we're just going to use the old Stormtrooper headpiece. So, let's find that, put that on there. And then I'm going to go to hairs. Go down. And then we're going to use this hairpiece. And there you have it, Frank Castle, or the Punisher from the Netflix TV series. And if you like this build, go check out some of my other ones, and I will see you guys later. Bye.